Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Samoba Kaya exactly 2 weeks ago. Story bia na eson kesiye pa ewa Ghana na eye Sugakope assembly member a friend Mr. Marcos a nkrofo bi eko nefie eko bo netio ekuno. Emse muni amoba kan sa asem no na Ghana ha sei de esi enese asemba na wendi ekira eya na wunim de eko. Emse asemba ye kan ehurua na tese atiada na tese wobia afogeti asem wey esanse senia na nkrofo ebe kose ye ema wo muni police for ekon ye na tese mpenyifo bi nso de sika be hyemu se wo be provide information na yehu wo mo di sa anyambra nsem de sika na be ma oni nti na ye ma just asem wey de medi echi the latest on sa asem ni bia me de bebremo. I have latest update. So what kaya emra asem ni si ye me de update bi bremo say police for ache nkrofo miensa wo mususu se san nkrofo miensa no wo mo ka ho ema ye kokokun abrante no san nkrofo miensa ye nyante ye se police for chi wo mo e wo Volta region ho na aside that me sanso the story bro say police for airtre and nkrofo a ewo area ni mo airtre say police for asanso achi police for mienu asa police for mienu ye susu se wo mo e na wo mo di wo mu tio ema sa amrobesi ema wo mo call eye assembly member ni fie ekokobo ni tio ekunu. Now, the police actually came out to speak on that particular story. Say, yes, so much microphone, you know, but says microphone and Emma we meet you anyway, and they were monka. Okay, so the latest news on this particular thing, and it's Andrea 16th of March. Police for Asanso Achi microphone and Sabium. Not to say the total number of people as you see police for Achi in connection to the death of this particular assemblyman, no, 8. Na yenyanti yase wo mo call abrante ni fie ekobo ni tieku ni nso no omo ye 8 nti yenim se nkrofo 8 we pepepe na police for achia but we mu ni na no at this point they are suspects eya na de bia me mamo example se mo be kaya last year abrante bia ye friend no Eric Kojodia a wo kobo police for me no tio e wo kasia ko omo no yeti nkrofo be break an ho later ye be release this nkrofo ni na e ma ne ka Eric Kojodia na pe because investigation traces nkrofo ni na no womo anya he. Now these particular people are police for action no sisi a yebetumi aka say police for achi 8 and now they obetumi aka say 6 because police for nankasa babontin ebeka say other 2 police for now action no it's not linked to this it would even say officially police for action for 6 related to the death of a YESA assembly member no ebetumi aba say investigations ene nyama be kokoso ama yehu say sankrofo ikra no they have nothing to do. Ebetumi aba say ebia wo mumu bi enim hu bibi. Nti no these are suspects. I just want to put that across. Na mebobon nkrofo ni din atrel na wo mo enim ana wo mo picture ana eda wo screen so. Etiefo the see and say police for ekochi wo mo ewo kasoa. Police for kochi wo mo ewo kasoa. Na kasoa baby a yesi ye friend obom eho ene ekochi wo mo. Na police penyin what they are 72 ja was in nkrofo no ba kudin at the bright ewuya ana awuya however you mention it there wodin finfin no and I don't know whether a din no won say meaning so mo ye no accordingly there but bako at the bright ewuya bako at the Franklin Tete the other person so at the Anson Steven one more pictures at that police was say they strongly believe say these people are part of the people who killed the assembly because once police watching Nkrofo miensa first. San Nkrofo miensa yesusu so munim hu bibi. Na San Nkrofo miensa na komu nim hu bibi kra na once police watch omo a wo ye investigation. Na komu nim hu bibi kra na it was just a matter of time because we should sika na Nkrofo last be calculating and the money was over 50,000 Ghana cedis. You see what be providing information. Na ya chi wo mo di abrante nyambra nsem ne ye be ma o sika no. Inti we knew say it was just a matter of time because sika abemu nkwan de ebetumi abanse nkrofo we kra wo mo namfofo ana obi a wo mo ekosusu asem no ho atre no e ba kono bekwa akoka na trese wakwa akoji sika no inti no ene asem a aba say police for achi 6 people officially 6 people who are suspects or who are in a way allegedly connected to the death of the Sugakope assembly member Mr. Marcus Mauto Ajali. Now, there are more details coming through. Senya womuku no womuchicha the body part nyama, but it's very gory. I don't want to paint that picture to you. But on this particular same story, the see and they say Embra Abrantia no yekuno no. Omo womuwo area ho they called for the DCE of that particular area. Now DCE nangasa wo ye DCE for South Tongue. Womo ka say DCE no one step down. DCE no nedindi Mr. Emmanuel Louis Agama. Womo ka say one step down because he's too inactive. Because aside Mr. Marcus Mauto no, ya say nkrofo 5 nkwan ene yekun womo e that particular area. Inti mebunu no sorry ye etia DCE ne say one resigning and na aban ensake no. The see and say DCE no eba bonten eba ye press conference. Na nsama wakan ye press conference no edamenim maybe di atremo na say ya hwe nsema eko. But DCE no de wakan and say sansem na mebunu no e kan na no eye abrantie bi a ye friend Mr. Maxwell Lukuto. Na Mr. Maxwell Lukuto na wa sheda akose mebunu nechi ana wa sheda akose mebunu no kutupa. Say womon say wonu DC ni din because onu DC no nesa Mr. Maxwell no womon ka. It's Mr. Maxwell na sheda kwa dada mebunu no because Mr. Maxwell no yo obi a area ho okasa mebunu no womutie. Wa sheda kwa dada womo say DC ya yenya ni oyo obi a wonkasa ene yekunku nkrofo no nya hwe ebi ana sei ntie ma mebunu no bufu DC no a womo ye eye trekese e wo so ga kope ho say DC no one step down. Inti na e wose wo be ye press conference e kasa e fa asem ne ho. Inti wo be ye press conference e kasa fa asem ne ho e ka che residents me say sa de na wo mu ye no wo mu njai sa Mr. Maxwell Lukuto no wo mu njai se wo mu follow no na oyo obi a wo twantro propaganda pa e na wo ye. E na DC in the sanso e reveal asem bi say 1995 to 2000 5 years 1995 to 2000 Sa Mr. Maxwell Lukuto yi wonankasa ne backyard onankasa ne area ne traditional area wo chese enkrofo bi a yekodi omu eku omo e wo ho no na enye easy over 8 people are ye di omu ewu eku omo e wo sa area nim Mr. Maxwell Lukuto no wan sorry anka hweye ade na ende mom wo sorry e kasa na me feel say die nti a DC no kasa say ene say the thing about it me say once a Volta region and idea we most parts of the Volta region NDC any winning. And what happens they say if NPP were ben more even though Volta region a NDC for area no one more MP Emma NDC ni one ye DC NPP were ben more Obama NPP ni and I DC it was our area nim it's DC now wo ho no wo ye NPP ni. But me so say some make some marks or look to and then crowd for your NDC for into womonso. Whoa, there's a little politics at play here. Womonso kasa etiano. And I want also aya press conference award tre semasa. Wo embra na mo NDC was no say nkrofo bebre wu ye. And then the one sorry an kasa say that time DC no one resigning. And then ende MPP ni abaso na nkrofo ewu a unso be kasa me resigning. But you see, I have one problem with that particular statement, Mr. Agama. I will not see DC in the worker. A lot of times, Ghanaian politicians ni BBC na womo person womo de equalization. But you see, one reason why we change government and they say ebia yenye hu ne say aban bi ba so no de wo ye no wanya de enti wonso ye de wo ba say wonso bra be ye ade emayen. Nti say ende Mr. Agama can now or refer to as far back as 1995 to 2000 say it will be cause so na that time no Mr. Maxwell Lukuto wan sorry I mean 20 years on say that time no crowd there say mistake no yeah 20 years on you expect him to be doing the same mistake o dey ever say that time no mistake na to say esi say nkrofo wu ye no won no Mr. Maxwell Lukuto no wan fresh say DC no one resigning. So if he didn't do something 20 years on, you want him to still behave the same way he was behaving 20 years? We know people change. It's ebia na afe wasasa. Say if it is true, say Mr. Maxwell Lukuto because ebetumi aba say Mr. Maxwell Lukuto ikra no, enyo no no share same way echi. But some DC in work and no. Into these are the two very important updates from a year soga copper. Na ma share that bone bede e na mede abramo. Mo ntra mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for me da ase.